What if every piece of your property, every share in your portfolio, and every gold in lockers turns into a digital token in your phone? Yes, on 2026, Morgan Stanley didn't just suggest the future, they actually launched it. Today in this video, we are connecting the dots between Morgan Stanley massive bet, Google's agentic AI, and a new career crisis by Harvard Business School. तो दुनिया बदल नहीं रही है बॉस, दुनिया टोकनाइज हो रही है. Hey people, this side Diksha. My videos will help you simplify finance, also the strategies behind businesses, and leverage your mindset. From many years, Morgan Stanley was testing blockchain, but this week they moved from R&D to active issuance of RWA that are real-world assets. But why does this matter? Because the traditional finance is slow, fragmented, and paper-heavy. By tokenizing assets, Morgan Stanley is bringing the active liquidity and transparency from the old guard of banking system. तो बैंक्स अब तक क्रिप्टो का मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, पर आज वही बैंक्स ब्लॉकचेन के सहारे अपनी किस्मत चमका रहे हैं. But here comes to $1 million question, that who will manage all of these AI? Humans? No. The system is becoming too fast. That's why on April 2026, Google and Accenture has expanded their partnership to scale the agentic AI. They are not just the chatbot, but they are now the agentic AIs that will manage our workflows. Likewise, executing complex financial workflows within the human intervention. तो AI अब सिर्फ चैट करने के लिए नहीं, चेक साइन करने के लिए भी रेडी है. But there comes to a second question. When finance goes digital and management goes AI, who will manage the professionals? A new Harvard Business School case study on CJ Gustafsson highlights the exact same shift. CJ is a top-tier financial executive choosing between the CFO role and the creator's economy. According to him, it is a battle between the corner office and the digital community. तो 2026 में आपकी डिग्री एक्सपायर हो सकती है, but आपके पर्सनल ब्रांड की मार्केट वैल्यू कभी खत्म नहीं होगी. However, these digital shifts come with two major warnings. Number one, security. Apple's new terminal warnings were bypassed by hackers within days. Number two, brand identity. So, Opalite Jewelry tried AI-only marketing push that actually made the luxury brands look cheaper. So it means that you can tokenize the asset, but you cannot tokenize the trust of a consumer. तो भले ही टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रोसेस कितना भी तेज हो, but आज भी ट्रस्ट इंसानी टच से ही आता है. So here comes to a big picture. Morgan Stanley built tokens. So Google built agentic AI that will manage the workflow. CJ Gustafsson shows us the new career path, and Apple warned us to stay alert. That means we are moving from the world of physical paper to digital paper. तो अगली बार जब भी आप इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो याद रखना आप कोई फिजिकल पेपर नहीं कोड खरीद रहे हैं. Which side of revolution are you on? Traditional finance or the tokenized future? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.